Today, I'm going to show you how to send pictures and videos on Zangi Messenger in 2025. Whether you want to share memories with friends, send a funny clip, or forward important files, the process is super simple. First, open the Zangi app on your phone and log in with your account. On the home screen, tap on the chat where you want to send your photo or video. If you don't already have a chat open, just tap the new chat button and select a contact from your list. Now inside the chat, look for the attachment icon or plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and you'll see options like gallery, camera, file, and more. If you want to send an existing photo or video, tap on gallery. This will open your phone's photo library. Simply browse through your pictures and select the one you want to send. You can pick multiple photos or videos at once if you'd like. Once selected, tap Send. If you want to capture something live, tap on Camera instead. Take a photo or record a video directly inside Zangi, then tap Send to share it instantly. Before sending, Zangi also gives you the option to add a caption or emoji to personalize your photo or video. This makes sharing more fun and expressive. Your media will then appear right inside the chat, and your friend will get it instantly. Since Zangi is optimized for low bandwidth, the files send quickly even on weaker internet connections while still keeping good quality. Pro tip: you can also forward pictures and videos from one chat to another. Just tap and hold on the media, select forward, then choose the contact or group you want to send it to. And that's it. Now you know how to send pictures and videos on Zangi Messenger in just a few easy steps. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe.